Hi, it's Nicholas. Today I want to review a product called InstaProfit. In this video, I'm going to show you what is exactly this InstaProfit. And also, I have some exclusive bonus for you if you pick up this product. Lastly, and then I will go through what is the price and upsell as well. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So what is exactly this InstaProfit? InstaProfit, and you can see this in the sales page, your shortcut to passive six-figure affiliate income on autopilot. So this product is about software that will instantly, you will automate it, and to do something you drive traffic on Instagram. Other than Facebook, Instagram is the second largest social media platform. You can, if you can make use of this platform, you can drive tons of unlimited free traffic as well, and you can also, whatever you want, you can also to build your list, and also you can make affiliate commission. So this product, if you are interested in this product, how to automate your Instagram to make to drive unlimited free traffic, and also to make affiliate commission. Also, you can also to build your email list. Please stay with me. I also have some exclusive bonus for you. Let's take a look what my exclusive bonus for you. The bonus number one. Get a fee. You will get a free guide. Discover the best way to market on Instagram that actually works. This is my first bonus. Bonus number two, you will get a free cheat sheet how to use Instagram story to 10x your engagement and sales. Story, Instagram is just Instagram story is just about 24 hours and then it's got. But if you can make make use of this secret platform, Instagram story, you can make more engagement with your audience, and also when they know, like, and trust you, that this is more possibility they will turn into visitor into a customer that you can make sales. Number three, you will get instant marketing. Instant marketing can make simple and profitable. This guide will tell you and how to use Instagram to drive traffic, generate leads, and makes more sales in CPA and as an affiliate marketer. This also what is CPA is cost per action. This is also another way that you can make money, because cost per action is they don't have to buy your visitor or the customer. You don't have to buy anything. They just simply input their email address, and then you will get paid. So this is also an easy way for you to use if you want to tap into CPA marketing. Bonus number four, another course, Flip Grow Big Out. Flip Grow Big Out is another course by John Armstrong. John Armstrong is the 7-figure level affiliate, super affiliate, as well as the vendor creator. Creators this course is about how to how to deal with an Instagram influencer who have much follower, over 100 follower. Instagram follower, and even some of them may have over 1 million Instagram follower. How to deal with them, and also to drive traffic to whatever you want. You can drive traffic to your speech page, landing page, to build your leader or your affiliate program offer. There is also you can make affiliate commission. How to deal with them in this course, your training course. John Armstrong will walk you through how to deal with them. You will get a free no-cost traffic app you can get started with today. There is also you have everyone have the app how you can drive traffic with this free no-cost traffic. Also, if you pick up any upfront, you will get my 5 exclusive bonus. Also, if you pick up any upsell, and also you will get another OTO bonus. OTO bonus one. I am Holy Grail. This is a unique one-click software that get you unlimited free buyer traffic by hijacking others content. This is a software that is how you can one-click, and also you can get unlimited free buyer traffic. OTO bonus number 2, you will get affiliate easy. You will steal the profit side that you can generate over $1,000 per day on complete autopilot. This is the OTO bonus number 2. OTO bonus number 3, you will get high notice. You can start getting buyer traffic and sales within this new system in 2 minutes or less. This is also another way that you can get buyer traffic. And also you will get all my free exclusive bonus if you pick up any upsell as well. Also you will get all my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the Warrior you want to simply click the link below in the description. The first link they will come to my bonus page. When you come to my bonus page, when you press this any blue button and go through the sales page, you will get my 5 front end exclusive bonus. If you pick up any upsell, and also you will get my 3 more exclusive bonus that you will get a free traffic, and also you will get buyer traffic. Buyer traffic is more variable freebie because they are ready to buy your recommendation. So don't forget that you can get free exclusive bonus if you pick up any upsell. You simply click the link below in the description. The first thing you will come to my bonus page. Come to my bonus page button. Buy the front end 5 exclusive bonus. If you pick up any upsell, you will get another 5 free exclusive bonus. So if you want to know how it works, demo video and you would have an in-depth how this instant profit this software can do the work for you in Instagram. So you can watch the demo video inside my bonus page. So okay, lastly and also I will go through what is the price and upsell as well. InstaProfit is an online all-in-one Instagram that allow you to make 4-figure income instantly on a daily basis with free traffic source, from Instagram. You can build an email list, generate sales, drive free traffic to anywhere. They want to use this underground cloud-based app. You don't have to download because it's a cloud-based. What is the features and benefit you will get? You will automatically 100% get free buyer traffic. Easily build a buyer list with target traffic source. Automatic track box features. Drive unlimited buyer traffic to your affiliate link. All-in-one solution to leverage Instagram to make more money on autopilot. Proven training with a case study of using this platform to make easy income. 100% cloud-based app and everything is done for you. One-click automatic solution to leverage Instagram from your online business. No need for any technical scheme or no need to run any ads. This is also a software to drive traffic from Instagram. You don't have to pay. It's a free traffic, and also you can build buyer traffic with step-by-step training. And also a cloud-based. You don't have to download anything. Just one click, you will automatically do everything for you inside in this platform with this underground cloud-based apps, InstaProfit. So what is the price and upsell as well? The front end is just $70, but if you simply click exit and you will have a pop-up and you will have $4 discount. So don't forget you can get $4 discount if you exit, and they will pop up $4 discount just for $30. This is no link, just for one-time payment, and you will get unlimited traffic from Instagram. Also, they also have a 5 upsell as well. OTO bonus one, you will get unlimited version, $37. If downsell $70. I think this is also you can and front end they has some limitation. If you bought everything is unlimited, I highly recommend you should at least grab upsell number 1 for unlimited version, just for those with downsell $70. The $47 with $37, they also have something you will have to do it for, but automation they have some more advanced feature they help to automate everything just for $37 for downsell. And also our OTO fee is still our website traffic $197.77. That is also you can paste your pixel or whatever you on. Maybe you can see inside in the member server, maybe on Facebook or on Google pixel into their their sales page, and then you will get their traffic. This is also a buyer traffic. You can also to one retargeting tab. Is also much more handy or cheap traffic. You can tap into is 197. If you want more traffic, you can tap into the buyer traffic. You can do it for downsell $77. Upsell number 4 is done for you. You have $67 come with $47. I think this is also something is much easier for you to tap into this program. If you don't want to do it for yourself, you can tap into the done for you solution with downsell $47. The last upsell is reseller. $67 come with $47. That is, you can resell it as your own and keep 100% commission. But in my opinion, I highly recommend that you can grab it at least upsell number 1 because you have an unlimited version and you can grab it for downsell $70. If you are struggling to traffic is the number 1 that you have to drive traffic. And I highly recommend that you can grab your still the website traffic. It's also a high buyer traffic with downsell $77. If you want to everything is done for you, you can get the OTO done for you for $47 downsell. So what is the benefit of you can grab into It is easy to make money with Instagram traffic big commission ready to buy the audience They will also generate a high quality Instagram content automatic posting It is also a set of software to this high quality traffic to your affiliate link Don't forget you will get you can watch the demo video inside my bonus page. So lastly, let's recap what my exclusive bonus for you. I have 5 exclusive bonus if you pick up the front end. Bonus number 1, you will get a free and Instagram marketing course code. Bonus number 2, you will get Instagram story cheat sheet. Bonus number 3, you will get Instagram marketing made simple and profitable guide. Bonus number 4, you will get training course breakout. Bonus number 5, you will get a free no-cost traffic app you can get started with today. You will get 5 of my exclusive bonus if you just pick up the front end. And also if you pick up any upsell, I also have 3 exclusive bonus for you. OTO bonus number 1, you will get my I am Holy Grail Unit 1 kick software that get you unlimited free traffic by hijacking other people's content. OTO bonus number 2, you will get affiliate easy. It will steal the profit site that generates $1,000 per day on complete autopilot. And also you will get OTO bonus number 3, high topic. You can start getting buyer traffic and sales with this new system in 2 minutes or less. You will get more my free exclusive bonus, OTO bonus if you pick up any upsell as well. But I highly recommend that you can at least pick up the upsell number 1 because you will get unlimited access to this software. If you struggle to make money online, you can grab the upsell number 3. You will get buyer traffic from the vendor. So don't forget to get if you want to get my exclusive bonus, simply click the link below in the description. The first link they will come to my bonus page. When you come to my bonus page, simply press this blue button, go through the sales page, and you will get 5 exclusive bonus for you. If you pick up any upsell, you will get 3 exclusive bonus for you. All my exclusive bonus will be in automatically delivered inside the Warrior Plus. So thanks for taking time to check out my InstaProfit review and bonus. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Other than and I have the daily video about the product launch and also have marketing idea series and make money online tips for my playlist and also I have add more a playlist about how to make multiple stream of income. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Other than the bonus page and you can as under the bonus page link and you can find some more freebie that you can grab such as a free course that you can get started and also you can download the free report. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you.